Welcome again to our revision for the final first term exam, and here are some beneficial information for the figurative language. The figures of speech or figurative language is very easy, and it's also important in the reading part, especially in the CR exam, CR questions. Also, you have to use them in the writing prompt. The first figurative language is simile. What's simile? Simile is a comparison of two things using like or as. If you want to compare two things or two person or something like this using like or as. The metal twisted like a ribbon. He is as sweet as candy. Also, metaphor. Metaphor is the same way, but without using like or as to compare things. If you said Ali is a sword, all the world is a stage, her heart is a stone. So you compare two things here, but you didn't use like or as in the sentence. It's called metaphor. Okay, also personification. What's personification? It means to give human traits or features to the objects, ideas, or phenomena. For example, here, the sunlight danced. Water on the lakes shivers. The streets are calling me. And there are many examples for personification. The night crawl, the moon smiles, and so on. So you used the features of human with objects. Okay. Also exaggeration or hyperbole. Hyperbole is an action that are impossible to happen. It's more than facts. For example, once I heard about my success news, I flew in the sky. Here he wants to express his strong joy or happiness, and he used the hyperbole. My house is 1,000,000 miles away. I am so hungry I can eat a cow. Also, from the figurative language that you studied before, onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is related to these sounds, a word that makes a sound. And here are some examples. Here, splat, ping, slam, pop, hiss, buzz, roar, ring, and so on. So the word that related to the sounds is called onomatopoeia. Now it's quiz time. Which figurative language is used in the following sentences? Read the sentence carefully so that you can know the answer. She was as white as a ghost. As white as a ghost. Okay, correct, thank you. It's simile because the existence of as. Number 2. He drew a line as straight as an arrow. Again, we used as for simile. Very good. Number 3. Knowledge is a kingdom, and all who learn are kings and queens. Knowledge is a kingdom. You notice here? Right, correct. No like or as in the sentence, and there's a comparison between knowledge and kingdom. So it's a metaphor. Very good. Keep going. Thank you. Number 4. The sun was beating down on me. The sun was beating down on me. Very good. Personification. Number 4. A flag wags like fish hook, like a fish hook there in the sky. Very good. It's easy now. If you found like or as, it's simile. Number 6. The clouds smiled. Smiled. Okay, very good. The smiling is a feature of human only, but here it is used with clouds. Smiled down at me, so it is Excellent. Personification. She is as sweet as candy. It's very easy. Simile. She sells seashells. Here is the repetition of the same initial letter or sound in the sentence. In all words of the sentence. She sells seashells. So it is good. Alliteration. Alliteration. Thank you. I could sleep forever. I could sleep forever. Excellent. Exaggeration or hyperbole. The wheat field was a sea of gold. Was a sea of gold. Very good. It's a comparison without using like or as, so it is a metaphor. Excellent. The streets called to him. Called to him. Yes, it's very good. Personification. We used the verb with the streets and his human traits only. My trip was a dream. My trip was a dream. Very good. Metaphor again. They were terrified when the lion roared. Notice the verb here, roared. So it is very good. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Thank you. Money talks. Money talks. Talking is very good. Human trait, and it was used with money. So it is personification.